Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Ezefunoze JK and I'm about to show you how to create your prospecting list of contacts. So there are two categories. You can decide to look for clients in the general business space where you talk to fruit markets, you can talk to retail stores and various other types of businesses. But the second category is where you reach out to outdoor advertising agencies. And these are people who use billboards and all forms of large format advertisements, prints, hoardings, street furniture, street ads, street polls, and all forms of print media. Because we are offering them a unique service that is going to bring a new dimension to the way they reach their clients in various locations, as we're going to see in the course. So the first step we want to take regarding finding these clients, we want to create our list of contacts using Google Sheets. So this is a list of all the businesses and agencies that we intend to offer our services. So the first thing we want to do is to create a container where we are going to hold and track all the contacts we've generated. So we want to go onto Chrome or any browser of your choice and type in google.com. So we can open a Google page. And the next thing we want to do is to click on the dots on the top right corner of your screen. There we're going to find all the apps. So you click on that dot, we want to search through it and scroll through until we find the one that says Sheets. We click on it, we want to open Sheets, and we want to click on the plus sign icon on the top left corner, or sometimes you may find it lodged at the right bottom of the page. Click on it, and that opens for you a fresh new page. And on this page is where we're going to put the information for the contact details, the email address, etc. So this is a brief walkthrough of what we are going to do. Now let's get into it and start finding those businesses. So step number one, we're going to open a fresh Google page, and we are going to search for whatever industry we are looking for in the city where we are. So, for instance, we could want to search for car washes in Johannesburg, or restaurants in Pretoria, or window washers in wherever. Right now, we open up Google. What we want to search for is outdoor advertising agencies, Johannesburg, for example, or out of home advertising agencies in Joburg. So let's type it in the search and it opens up this. So we scroll down, we can select, for instance, this one that's called Pinpoint Media. We go to their website because we want to collect all the information we can. And we want to go straight to the contact page. When we get to the contact page, we can see the location, the contact details, the email. And these are the core information that we need that we will use to reach out to these, to turn them into clients. Now, let's go ahead and get the name. So under the names tab, we're going to put Pinpoint Media. And under industry, outdoor advertising, we put the phone number, the email, and under offer, we want to say outdoor advertising because this is an agency. We want to offer them outdoor advertisement services. And in the last tab, we want to add address. This is necessary because if we have to meet for presentations, it's often done in the ad agency's premises. So we want to put the address here so we know where to find these people when they say we need to meet. So this is an overview of what we want to do. And with this now, we are going to start reaching out to these companies to get business from them. So your assignment will be to open your browser and search for all the advertisement agencies outdoor. Make sure you put out of home or outdoor advertising agencies in my area, in your geographic location, in your city, in your state and province. Then you begin to collect all those information. Collect as many as you can. The more companies you can put in your prospect list, the better, because this will give us more leverage so we can reach out to these people so we can turn them into paying customers. So this is all we have for now. We'll see you in the next video.